For more than 3 decades, successful entrepreneurs have known one powerful truth. Real prosperity doesn't come from one income stream, it comes from multiple streams working together. And that is exactly what the MPG Prosperity Key was designed to do. The Matthews Prosperity Group was built on a simple idea: connect powerful people, create meaningful collaboration, and close opportunities that benefit everyone involved. Now here's where it gets exciting. Our entire ecosystem is built around 5 proven income streams: digital advertising, small group travel, collaboration book sales, event promotion, and ministry marketing. Each one creates opportunity, but together they create real prosperity. The goal is simple: $2,500 per day, 4 days per week, and the freedom to design your life. More time, more income, stronger relationships, and today, everything connects through one powerful tool, the MPG Prosperity Key, a branded digital card that puts your business, your network, your opportunities right in your hand. Now let me ask you something. Would you be open to earning $5,000 plus while connecting with high net worth individuals and enjoying an unforgettable travel experience? Would it help your business to be featured on top television networks? Would you want to co-author a book with best-selling authors Stan Matthews and Dr. George Fraser? Would your organization benefit from hosting speakers that help you create a sellout event? And what if you had a branded digital platform that allowed you to earn up to $2,500 per day with the potential to generate $500,000 per year? That opportunity is the MPG Prosperity Key. So if even one of those possibilities caught your attention, the next step is simple. We'll connect you directly with our marketing director, Coach Stan Matthews. He'll walk you through it, answer your questions, and help you decide if this is the right move for you. So here's the real question. Are you ready to start earning $500 or more per day with your MPG Prosperity Key?